In this question, you have to choose the option that represents the correct sequence of events in the origin of life. Now, first, the synthesis of organic monomers took place. That is, simple organic molecules such as amino acid, nucleotides were formed from inorganic precursors through the processes like those simulated in the Urey Miller experiment. Then synthesis of organic polymers took place. That is, monomers combined to form polymers, to form protein, RNA, on the surfaces like clay which act as catalyst. Then formation of protobands took place. That is, primitive cell-like structure are formed consisting of polymers enclosed within a lipid membrane and showing simple metabolism and replication like processes. And then the formation of DNA-based genetic system took over. That is, the evolution of a stable genetic system based on DNA that allowed accurate replication and inheritance, marking the emergence of life. So the correct sequence of events in the origin of life is 2, then 3, then 1, and then 4. Hence, the correct answer is option A.